Hi guys, this is Karthikeya. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, you saw how I made my own candy bar. If you haven't watched it, please go check it out on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 more activities. Let's start with the 4D movie. While we enter the movie, they'll give us special glasses that will make us feel the movie characters come to real life. How amazing is that? The movie is all about sweet versus sour. Sour is the bad guy, sweet is the good guy. There are so many 4D effects on the movie, like water spraying on my face, wind blowing under my feet, and my chair moving like crazy. And when the wind blew under my feet, I was a little scared, but since I was near my dad, I was okay.
Now, our Look at Our digital log shows that someone or something is snooping around inside our factory.
Let's move on to the next activity, unwrap. We will be given a chocolate box at the entrance. This show is all about tasting using our 5 senses: sight, taste, smell, hear, and touch.
Hearing and taste. In other words, what we all need to do every
Let's move on to the third activity, Hershey's chocolate tour. There's a lot of information of Hershey's chocolate all through the way. They take us on a fun ride and explain about chocolate making. Please watch this video till the end because this journey was super amazing. I loved it.
Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the... Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Sing it, girls!
It's the bit we make that's supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today. I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that consistent Hershey's flavor.
Hey everyone! Along we have milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs into years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. Depasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog cups.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates. looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness. Come and enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye. There's a big shopping center and a food court inside Hershey's Chocolate World. There is a small garden with a cocoa bean tree in the middle of shopping center. That's all about Hershey's Chocolate World. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!